Hello everyone, myself Trupti Shah. I am here to explain you how to blink LED on Code Composer by using Code Composer on Tiva C Launchpad. This is a Tiva C Launchpad. This is power LED which will be on once you will connect it to the USB cable on laptop. Even this is one external power switch has been given. If you turn on it, it will off. If you turn on, the board will on. Now on board LEDs are connected. 3 LEDs are there, 1, 2 and 3. These 3 LEDs are connected to port F pin number 1, 2 and 3. So I will explain you how to turn on these tricolor LEDs and even combination of these by using Code Composer. This is a Tiva C Launchpad, 2 push buttons and 1 reset switch is there. These are GPIO pins. Now come to Code Composer. I have already installed Code Composer on laptop version 10. So open it. Select a path where you want to save the program. I have already created one workspace on desktop, CCS workspace, so that I have created, or you can go to browse. And on desktop I have created one CCS workspace. Select the folder and then click on launch. Code Composer will be open in few minutes. So before that I will explain you the pin diagram. So this is a pin diagram of Launchpad. Here we can see that red LED is connected to port F pin number 1, blue LED is connected to port F pin number 2 and green LED is connected to port F pin number 3. To port F pin 0 is push button is connected. Now these pins will required while writing code on Code Composer. Again come back to Code Composer. Now Code Composer has opened. Go to project and create a new project. New, click on new CSS project. Now this project window, CSS window will open. Here you have to select the target. For target, click here and write board name. So for Tiva C Launchpad it is TM 4C 123 4C 123 GH 6 PM. So this is a number to select it. Then for connections you have to do Sterilize in circuit debug interface. And name of project you can give any name. I am writing code for Tiva LED blink 1. Tiva LED blink 1. You can give any name and then click on finish. So this project will be created. So this project has been created. You can see here Tiva LED blink, Tiva LED blink 1. Now right click on that, go to properties, last option. Then include, here include option. Then to the right hand side click on plus. Add here, when you install Code Composer, TI folder will be automatically installed on C drive. Select that TI folder, and in TI folder you have to select TivaWare C series. Now this folder will be created only when you install the libraries for Tiva C Launchpad. If you don't install the libraries, this folder will not be created. So you have to install separately libraries for that. Select that folder and click on OK. Then apply and close. Again come back to the main program, right click and add file, library, add file, driver lib we have to add, so driver lib folder is already there. Go to CCS, then debug, and driver lib file is there. Open, click on open, and we have to link this driver lib file. If you see, this driver lib has been added. Now click on main, can close all main first. Now here you double click on main, write program here to blink LED. I already written the program. These are the libraries which will require to for Code Composer Tiva C Launchpad, and here we have to initialize. Whenever we are writing program for LED blinking, we have to initialize that pins as output pins. So we know that it is connected to pin number 1, 2 and 3 of port F. So this is the way to define this as output pin. Then write a code to blink red LED, then blue LED and green LED. So for red LED the number is 02, 04 and 0, for blue 04 and for green 08. Now how 02 is coming? It is connected, for red LED is connected to pin number 1, other 4 pins will be 0. So this is nothing but 0010 is 02 for red LED. Then blue LED is connected to pin number 2, so 001 and 0. So this is nothing but 04, and green LED is connected to this pin, that is 1000. This is nothing but 08. This is for green LED. So whenever we want to turn on, we have to use this hex combination. Okay, and when we want to turn on all LEDs together, we will write this as pin 1, all pins of LED will on all together. So this code, first we have turn on all LEDs together, then 4 and 00 is not required here, pin number 2. So we will change the sequence, first 2, 4, 8 and then all LEDs together. So here it will 4 means first blue, then green and then red, and first white LED, blue LED, green LED and red LED. This sequence LED will turn on. First build the project, come here, build it. This will build the project. Now build finished. After build project, click on debug. We'll start debugging. So here we can check. Once debug has been done, this button will be activated, which will execute the code after debugging. It will check for error. If any error is there, then you have to do changes, and if no error is there, this button will be highlighted with green color. Now done the process, run it, and you can see the LEDs are blinking with white, blue, green and red sequence. You can change the delay and again check the LED blinking, so which will show you the perfect color. I hope everyone understood it. Thank you.